I'm an artist, a painter. I'm a designer, work with textiles, work with craftspeople. I'm an educationist also. Kind of an activist, I would say, because I do try and work for the community over there and see that things that are going amiss are put right. The exhibition is titled Under the Molsri Tree. And this is my latest body of work in which I have tried to focus back, really to go back into myself. And so the body of work that has come through is going through many layers of my own memory. It is actually two bodies of work. One is working with the photographic images of my family and also looking at the cultural aspect that existed at that time and this whole shift and change within 100 years. The other body of work is called Safar Journey, where I'm working with natural indigo dye as my painting medium. It's always tying bundles of very precious things and making a change and making a move. The works are meant for you to go and try and search through the layers, they're layered. And really, everybody, there are just so many people that I ended up meeting through the programs, and each one of them have given me something precious. I think Shangri-La is really a unique place. I don't know of any other where it's not a museum. And I think I can feel Doris Duke's spirit and her playfulness also